Hi guys, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about I'll be giving tips on carving a niche. What are the, like I said, we talked about niche in our last video, talking about it being a small subset of a market. So one thing that niche does for you is that what it makes you stand out. Yeah, it makes you stand out. When you're able to carve a niche, it makes you stand out. People know you for this particular niche. People know you that this is what you do, this is how you do it. So the tips for you to actually carve a niche is: number one, to have what? An interest. What is that thing that excites you when you do it? What's that thing that you have joy in doing? Is it that you love making kids wears? Do you love sewing Ankara ready to wear? Do you love making shift dresses? Do you love making jackets, trousers, blazers, and all that? You like making lace outfits, or do you like sewing for brides? Yeah. Oh, I love brides outfits, bridal wears, wedding gowns, ashrepi. What is it you want? You have to have an interest, and when you have an interest, you have to know what fabric you work with very well. That's part of what encompasses your interest. The fabrics you enjoy working with. Oh, I love white clothes. I love making white outfits. I love this and that. Or I just enjoy Ankara. Or I like touches. I like working with velvet. I like working with Kampala. I like working with Ashwofi and all that. So when you're able to know what you're interested in, so now let's say you have interest in making kids ball dress. Now you love girls making dress for little girls, ball dresses. They're cute. You work with bright colors: yellow, blue, purple, the light one, red. Kids love popping colors. So you're able to know your interest. Now the next thing you should do is what? Look at your competitors. Okay, I want to be making kids ball dress. Who are my competitors? Who is that person that I see that is already in this niche? Who do I see that is already doing this that I want to do? You look at them. What are they doing right? How are they doing it? What do people like about this brand? What do people don't like about this brand? So your competitors is not for you to be jealous or envy them. It's for you to learn. It's for you to do better. It's for you to what? To also create a niche that people will love, people will love to always associate with, and always love to recommend to others. So looking at your competitors should help you become better. It should help you improve on your craft also. Looking at your competitors should not make you envious. Looking at your competitors should not be like, what's this? No. Look at what that person is doing extremely well and emulate it. Look at what that person is not doing well and you don't do it. So that's what's looking at your competitors. What it does for you. It helps you to improve on how to build or to bring about your niche. So the other thing to look at is what to test your idea testing now. Now you've decided, okay, I want to be making ball dresses. How do I go about it? You price it. You go to the market, the prices for the materials you will need. You should have a knowledge of the materials you need to make maybe a kid's ball dress. You should have a knowledge of how to actually make it a correct one, not the one that you just do. So that's why it's important to always upgrade on your skills. Know how to make a perfect ball dress that when clients see it, they will love it. So you should know the market price for all what you use for your materials, your tools for your sewing. So when you've done that, you can have, maybe you have a young sibling, you have your sister that have a baby girl, or you have a neighbor that have a baby girl. You can try sewing for that person, or you tell the person, maybe if you cannot afford to buy all the materials, you talk to the parents. I want to make this outfit for that. You can just give me money for materials. Yeah, it's just a test run and all that. Yeah. Can I make an outfit for your baby? Maybe your baby's birthday is so days. Can I make an outfit? Just pay for the materials and all that. That's you testing your idea now. You're not in the stage of testing the idea. You're not making profit at that stage now. You're testing your idea to know how people react to your outfits, to the things you make. So when you are making that, people will look at the girl's outfit. They will, who made this? Look at how people react. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I'd have loved if you did it like this and all that. You always look at customer satisfaction. Look at their complaints. Customer complaints are not for you to get angry to. Customer complaints are for you to get better. Customer complaints are for you to improve. Though we know sometimes the customers can just complain about something absurd. That you shouldn't get angry with that. Just to improve. And if you think that a customer complaint is not constructive enough, you just ignore it. Yeah, There's no big deal. That's life. It happens. You can't satisfy everybody. Yeah. But you should always learn to what? Improve on your craft. So when you test your idea, you're able to know the right price to place your outfit, you're able to know the right customers to face. You know, you don't, you're facing people that have toddlers, baby girls, or maybe someone that is pregnant, so you're already advising at times you can't wait when the baby comes. So I make baby wears and all that. So that's you testing your idea. So like I said, always also upgrade on your skills to make you have outfits with good heart or good finishing. Work on your finishing, work on making a beautiful outfit that people will see, and your customers will be happy to actually refer their friends, their family to, because word of mouth is very important in a niche or any business whatsoever. Word of mouth is very important, and word of mouth always gives you good customers, like good customers. Word of mouth is one of the best forms of marketing. They will still talk about marketing and costing and pricing also. So that's just that about the tips I want to give on carving a niche. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for always referring. Thank you for following. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. I want you guys to keep liking this video, comment, share your opinion. Yeah, let me know if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys some other time. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy. Bye. Bye.